In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find bestseller in Uniqlo 2026 step by step. First, open your web browser and head to the official Uniqlo website for your region. If you're redirected to a local site automatically, that's fine. Bestseller categories are organized the same way across regions. Give the homepage a moment to load so all the menus and images appear correctly. From the homepage, focus on the main navigation bar at the top. You'll typically see sections like women, men, kids, and baby, along with seasonal features. This is your starting point. Move your cursor over one of these sections rather than clicking right away. When you hover, a large drop-down, sometimes called a mega menu, should appear with curated collections, new arrivals, and key categories. Within that drop-down, look for a link labeled Best Seller. Each section has its own best sellers, so you can check exactly what's trending for women, men, kids, or baby without leaving the menu. This is the fastest path. If the drop-down doesn't open immediately, try hovering a second time or briefly clicking the section name to load its page. On the section page, the bestseller link is usually highlighted near the top or in a featured module. When you're ready to dive in, click bestseller for the section you want. That click takes you to a dedicated bestsellers page where Uniqlo groups the most popular items based on current demand. This list updates regularly, so it's a great place to start if you want reliable wardrobe staples or trending pieces without browsing the entire catalog. Once you're inside the bestseller page, browse the product grid at your own pace. Each tile typically shows the product name, price, key colors, or variations, and in many cases, ratings or review counts. Selecting a product opens its detail page where you can see more photos, fabric information, care instructions, and available sizes. If you prefer a particular color or size, scan the options shown on the grid before clicking through, as some variations surface right on the thumbnail. A quick tip as you browse: if you don't immediately see what you need, scroll a bit further. Bestseller pages often load more items as you go, revealing additional fits, cuts, or seasonal picks. If stock appears limited, that usually means the item is particularly popular, so checking back later can help. And that's it. By starting on the home page, hovering over a section, selecting bestseller, and browsing the curated list, you can find Uniqlo's most loved pieces quickly and confidently.